Hi everybody, Krista Beakley here. I wanted to share with you how to copy an entire party, or what CinchShare calls batch posting. So this would be what you would do in a round of parties when you want to use the same outline that you used in the last round or in a previous round. You really liked how one party ran and you want to use the same posts. So what you're going to do is log into CinchShare. If you don't have CinchShare already, you want to go to www.getcinchfree.com and use the code CinchFree for 37 days free. I'll post the link and the code in the comments or in the description of this video, but you'll want to create your account and log in. Now, the first step that you're going to do anytime you add a new party to your Facebook profile, you need to go to My Networks, refresh your network, and tell CinchShare that you can post to that event. So events are hidden here under your timeline. If you scroll down, you're going to see your events here. So you've created a new event. You want to click the heart to make it navy, and then you'll be able to post to that event. So now what I'm going to do, because I want to use posts that I've already posted, so I'm going to go to this Manage Posts section on the left, and this pulls up a history of everything I've ever posted using CinchShare. So it might take a minute because I have a lot of posts. I use CinchShare for a lot of things. So every party, your VIP group, your business page, and even your timeline, you can post things on here. And so what you want to do is find the party that you are wanting to reuse. So you can select it from the drop down here, but you'll eventually have a huge list. So you can just type it in here. So I really liked Catherine's party. I liked that outline. It worked really well. And so it's going to pull up all the posts that I've posted into Catherine's party. That was on February 7th. So what you want to do first is go all the way to the bottom. If you scroll down, you'll see it says See More, and it immediately reloads as you get to the bottom. So you want to make sure you scroll all the way to the bottom. This was the very first post of that party. So you just want to make sure you've collected all of them on this screen. And then you're going to go over here to this left-hand side, these three bars. This is your menu. And when you click on here, you get a few options. So you want to select all. Now, if you didn't want to batch post all of these posts, let's say I don't like this post, or I don't need all the pre-party posts, maybe I'm starting a little bit late, or whatever. There's lots of reasons why you might want to, but you can select certain ones. I'm going to select all because I like the whole party. And then you click this batch post option here. It's going to take a second. And then it brings you to this batch post menu. So these are all of the posts, and they're all in order of how you posted them originally. And what you're going to do is select the date. So I want this first post. This is my first pre-party post, and my pre-parties, I know, always start on Thursday at 9 a.m. So you're going to select the day and time that you want this very first post to post. And then you're going to click, I want to keep the same interval. The timing was good. I'm going to click apply. And then you can see here, it has all the times and days of all of the posts. And it keeps the same interval that you originally had everything scheduled at. So if you don't want that, if you want it to start at 10 o'clock, maybe she's in a different time zone, you can select a different time zone. Maybe for one reason or another, you don't want it to start on Thursday, you can select any day of the week. If I had somebody, if my pre-party posts were starting on Thursday, and on Thursday they said sign me up and I had room for them to run this round, then I would start my posts tomorrow. So then I might delete some of these. You can play around with this. But basically, what you're going to put in this section here is the day and time you want this very first post to post. And then the rest will fill themselves in. Now you can go in here and you can change individual posts. Let's say I liked this one, but I want it to go sooner. You can click the calendar and you can select a different day. You can select a different time. You can delete it by clicking this X, what have you. Then you'll go here on your networks, select the network, select the party you want it to go to. So I don't really want it to go to a party right now, so I'm just going to select this. But you would select the party you want it to schedule to. And then you're going to click Schedule Batch. And that's it. So now if I go to my Schedule a Post, my dashboard, and I select my files, my party, you would select the party that you just posted. You're going to see here's all those posts that we just batch posted. And that's it. So that's how you can use a former party that you ran to schedule a new party. I'm going to show you one other quick thing. Let's say I have a party already scheduled. So I have a party coming up and I want to use that same outline. What you're going to do is you're going to find that party and you're going to go to your pending file. And this shows you all of the posts that are already scheduled for this party. So these posts are coming up for this party at the end of March and early April. So then I can just do the same thing. Scroll all the way to the bottom, make sure that I'm at the very last post, select all, and click Batch Post. So these are the pending ones. These are ones that I've not yet posted. History are the ones that I've posted already, and then pending are the ones that have not yet posted. So if you are scheduling your 6 parties at one time for one round, then you can schedule all your posts into one of them, and then you can batch post for the other 5 and change up your information. In my next video, I'll show you a very simple way to change all of the information and to create an outline for your parties.